Hello everyone, welcome to our channel V1 Education. In previous class, we completed chapter 4 exponents and powers. If you missed those class, I given link in description, you can check that one. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. So very important one. This is it will carry forward to your 9th class and 10th class also. In 9th class it will be linear equations in two variables. Here one variable, there will be two variables. In class 10th it will be pair of linear equations in two variables. So it is a basic concept about a linear equations in class 8. In 7th class we are having algebraic expressions, right? So that is a minor one. This is a somewhat basics. Next will be it will become step by step process. Now today we will discuss about linear equations in one variable. So before going to that one, first we will see what are the basic concepts in this linear equations. So first one, we will discuss about constant. What is the meaning of constant? So we'll see some definitions like this, okay? A symbol, we'll see that first we'll see the definition of this constant. Symbol having a fixed numerical value. Numerical value is called a constant. So constant nothing but simply we'll say as a numbers. Numbers will indicate as a constant. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called what? A constant. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. All these numbers are called what here? Constant. Next important one, next one is about variable. So with respect to constant variable, we'll discuss this linear equations. So what you will say about a variable? Nothing but a symbol which takes various numerical values is called a variable. A symbol which takes various numerical value. What is the meaning of numerical values here? Nothing but constant. Which takes a constant is simply called as variable. Nothing but variables we can call as alphabets. Nothing but A, B, C, D, like that. Those alphabets are smaller, bigger. Those are called what? Variables. Here what we said, a symbol which takes various numerical values. So taking number constant as 6, variable suppose taking as A. So see various numerical. A takes here A. 6 into A becomes 6A. Symbol which takes various numerical value is known as variable. Suppose 7x, 9y, 10z. So these are all what? This takes the numerical values. Here x, y, z, or here a is called what? Variables. Variables nothing but alphabets. Constants nothing but numbers. So this is a basic concept. Next about expression. Nothing but algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So what you say about this algebraic expression means the combination of constants and variable connected by the symbol is known as simply algebraic expression. Nothing but a combination of constants and variables connected by signs, nothing but symbol. Okay, so what are the signs? Nothing but symbols. So means we having 4 mathematical operators, right? Those are what? Plus, minus, into, and divide, right? Combination of constants and variables connected by signs. Nothing but the mathematical operators. Those are plus, minus, into, and divide. Okay, we'll see one example here. What is that expression? Nothing but a combination of constant and variables. Suppose 5x plus 7. Yes, it is called a expression. Suppose 6x plus 5y is called a expression, right? Isn't it? These are the expression. Suppose 5a plus 2 is a expression, isn't it? Yes or no? So nothing but this is called what? Algebraic expressions, combination of variables and constants with connected by what? Signs, nothing but mathematical operators, plus, minus, into, or divide. Simply you can say 6x by divided by 5. So see, these are the algebraic expressions. Is it clear? Next one is about the equation. Next one is about what? Equation. What you will say about the equation? So simple difference, expression and equation. So what you will say about the equation means a statement, take any statement, a statement of equality which contain one or more unknown quantities is known as what equation. So but which includes the variables. Suppose here, see, we said here algebraic expression example is what? 5x plus 7 we said, right? Now taking same 5x plus 7 is equals to 12. I am taking here 12, which a statement of equality, nothing but which contains a equal symbol. Okay, so this is the expression and it is the equation which contain equal symbol. Suppose here we written here 5a plus 2 is equals to 10. Yes, see here it contain equality symbol, right? Nothing but an algebraic equation in equality of expressions involving variables and constants is called what? Equation. Nothing but algebraic equation. Nothing but symbol is what is there here? Equal. Nothing but which indicates the equality which involves variables and constants is known as equation. Clear? It contains two parts. So equal to left side one part and right side one part. Suppose we'll take this one, will take here 5x plus 7 is equals to how much? 12 is there, right? The expression on the left side, this is so up to here this is only expression, right? The expression on the left side of the equality symbol, left side of the equality symbol is called what? LHS, nothing but the left hand side. Clear? The expression on the right side of the equality symbol, this is the right side of the equality symbol, it is called what? RHS, nothing but right hand side. Okay, this is nothing but equation. Equation, nothing but which contain equality symbol, left side is called what? LHS, right side is what? RHS, nothing but left hand side and right hand side. It's clear? Yes. So for what value? Suppose if you want to solve this one, what happens here? 5x plus 7 is equals to 12. Then 5x is equals to 12. If you transpose plus 7 to the RHS side, plus 7 becomes minus 7, right? This implies 5x is equals to 12 minus 7, how much? 5. Then x is equals to 5. Nothing but this multiplication becomes division, nothing but 5 by 5. Then answer is what? 1. X equals to 1. What here? X equals to 1. We got the answer is what here? 1, right? So this is called what? Solution of the equation. For we are finding the value of x here. In this equation, we are finding the value of x. So whatever you got the answer, this is called a solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Okay. So if you replace in the place of x equals to 1 here, then these LHS and RHS will be equal. Take here 5 in the place of x. So 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 is equals to 12. Yes, LHS equals to RHS. Okay, for what value of x will get the both LHS and RHS equal, that is called solution of the equation. Okay, this is about a general topic. Nothing but basic concepts of linear equations. So we got a equation, right? Now we have to discuss about the linear equation. The concept is what? No, linear equation. We'll see linear equation. Now, what is the meaning of linear equation? So we'll take some examples first here. I'm taking here 2x plus 5 equals to 2, right? And 3x plus 10y is equals to 5, and 2x square plus 2y square is equals to 12. Okay, I took examples here. I took 3 examples. Now what you will say about these two here? If you observe here, what is the degree of the first one here? Here only having here only x is there, nothing but degree will be here once. Clear? Coming to here, degree is what here? 1, and here also degree is what? 1. Yes. Next, by coming to here, degree what is there here? 2, and here what is the degree is 2. Clearly, we can say here this first one and second one are having degree as how much here? 1. So these are called what? Linear equations in one variable. These are called what? Linear equations. Clear? These are called what? Linear equations, because degree is 1. Okay. So while coming to here, what is the degree is 2? Yes. This degree is 2. So this is not a linear equation. Okay. If the degree of the equation is 1, that is called a linear equation. Now we'll see linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. If the degree of the equation is 1, that is called a linear equation. So these two are having degree is 1. That's why these two are examples of linear equations. Now we'll see linear equations in one variable. Okay. Now we'll take some examples here. X plus 2 is equals to 1. 2x plus 10y is equals to 15. And y plus 5 is equals to 10. So I took some examples like here. So in this, what are the linear equations? One variable means we had to get only one variable in given expressions. So equations, we'll see here x here only one variable is there here and degree 1 is there. Yes, it is the example of linear equation in one variable. Coming to here, third one, y plus 5 is equals to 10. Here only one variable and degree also here 1 is there. Yes, it is an example of linear equation in one variable. Coming to second one, even though having degree 1 here, but here we are having two variables. X is the first variable, y is the second variable. Okay, so that's why this is not an example of linear equation in one variable. So whatever a, b, c, d, whatever you will get, but you have to contain only one variable. Suppose 3x plus 5 equals to 10. See, x only there here. 5a plus 2 is equals to 10. Only one variable is there and degree also 1 is there. So this type of examples is called what? Linear equations in one variable. Okay. So here in previous what we have discussed here, we done here transpose, right? So plus become minus. Okay. So we having when we transpose terms, we having some conditions. When we transpose the different terms, means while converting LHS to RHS, while we are moving to LHS to RHS, plus quantity becomes minus. Here plus becomes what? Minus. While you transpose to the LHS to the RHS, plus becomes what? Minus. Okay. Then minus quantity becomes what? Plus. Minus quantity becomes what? Plus. So we will take here, right here again. So if you transpose plus quantity to the RHS side, it becomes minus, and minus quantity becomes plus, and multiplication becomes division, and division becomes what? Multiplication. While if you transpose from LHS to RHS. Okay, so these are the four topics you had to, 4 points you had to remind while transposing. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes a multiplication. Okay, so this is the basic concepts. Okay, now we'll discuss solving how to solve simple equations in one variable, one side. See, having here only one side, right? This is example exercise 2.1, having only one side. So this exercise 2.1 we'll discuss one. So once I'm saying solving a simple equations having variable only one side. Okay, these are simple equations. We'll complete this one today class. Okay, this is what exercise 2.1. So having total here how many sums? Total 14 sums is there. So we'll complete it very fastly. Just we have to remind these formulas. Okay, what are the topics? Plus becomes what, minus becomes what, multiplication becomes what, and division becomes what. You have to remind compulsory. First question is 6m equals to 12. Okay, so we'll do this one by transposing LHS to RHS. Given what 6m is equals to 12. So 6m here indicates 6 into m, nothing but multiplication. And the multiplication, if you transpose from LHS to the RHS, multiplication becomes what? Division. Nothing but this implies m is equals to 12 divided by 2, nothing but 12 by 6. And cancellation possible, right? 6 ones and 6 twos are. This implies m equals to 2. Okay, if you have dot, you can replace here. M is equals to 2 here. So 6 into m, right? 6 into 2. We got m equals to 2. 2 6 is 12. Yes, completed. Simple one. Okay, next second one is about 14p is equals to minus 42. Okay, one side saying these are given only one side variable. Okay, solution. What is given? 14p is equals to minus 42. Again, what he given only multiplication. We have to find the value of p. So this is what 14 into p. Then p is equals to, again multiplication becomes division, minus 42 by 14. 14 ones and 14 threes are. Then p equals to how much? P equals to minus 3 is the answer. If replace p value in a given question, p value how much we got? Minus. Plus into minus becomes minus, and 14 threes are in 42. That's it. Next third one. Minus 5y equals to 30. Given minus 5y equals to 30, then y is equals to, again this 5 into y, multiplication becomes division, 30 by minus 5. 5 ones and 5 6 are. Then y equals to how much? Minus 6. If you want to check, just replace y value here, minus 6, then minus into minus becomes plus, 5 6 are 30. Yes, RHS is 30, but these two are equal. Okay, next fourth one. Sorry, Roman numerals is right here. Fourth one, minus 2x equals to minus 12. So listen carefully here. We have to find the value of x here. Minus 2x equals to minus 12. Then x equals to minus 12. Again, this multiplication becomes a division. So this becomes what? Minus 2. Remember, it won't becomes plus 2. Because this is only multiplication. This total part is single one, right? So multiplication becomes a division. And minus minus will be cancel, and 2 ones are and 2 6 are. Then x equals to 6 is the answer, right? So if you replace in the place of x, how much here? 6. Then minus into plus, it becomes minus, and 2 6 12. Yes, then x equals to 6 is the answer. Next fifth one. Fifth one is what? 34x equals to minus 51. Same method, all given multiplication only. So given 34 into x equals to minus 51. Again, multiplication becomes a division. We have to find a value of x here. Then x equals to minus 51 by 34. Okay, nothing but which table cancel? 17 table, right? 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51. Then x equals to minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay, Sixth question. Sixth question is what? N by 7 equals to minus 3. Okay. So this is given division here. So n by 7 equals to minus 3, right? But fraction at by 1. So denominator 1 means it won't change the value. Now this what division becomes what multiplication. But I'm doing cross multiplication. Then n equals to minus 3 into 7 by 1. Then n is equals to minus into plus. It becomes what? Minus 3 7s are 21. So denominator 1 means 121 means 21, right? So the answer is what? Minus 21. Next, seventh one. Seventh question is what? 2x by 3 equals to 18. Same process. 2x by 3 equals to 18 by 1. Okay. Now again this becomes what? Division becomes what? Multiplication. But doing a cross multiplication. Then 2x equals to 18 into 3 by 1. Okay. So this what division becomes what here? Multiplication. But here we had to find the value of x, right? Again, but here what is the coefficient is here? 2, right? This is nothing but 2 into x, nothing but this multiplication becomes what now here? Division. Then 2x equals to 18 into 3 by 1 into 2, right? This becomes what? Division. Because we know multiplication becomes division, and cancellation 2 ones and 2 nines are, sorry here x on, right? X equals to 2 ones are 2 nines are 9 is 27. Then x equals to 27 by 1, nothing but 27 is the answer. Here 2x, right? So we had to find a value of x here. This multiplication becomes a division. Then 2 ones are 2 nines are, then x equals to 27. Clear? Next, eighth one. Eighth question is what? 3x plus 1 is equals to 16. So what he given first here? 3x plus 1 equals to 16. So given here, first we had to transpose here. According to this one, we had to transpose two terms here. First we had to transpose 1, then we had to transpose 3 to get the value of x here. Nothing but this implies 3x equals to 16 plus 1 becomes minus 1, because transposing from LHS to RHS, plus n becomes a minus. This implies 3x equals to 16 minus 1 is becomes 15. This implies we had to find a value of x here. We know multiplication becomes a division if you transpose. Nothing but 15 by 3. 3 ones are and 3 5s are. This implies x equals to how much? 5 is the answer. Clear? Yes. This is about the eighth one. Next, ninth one. Ninth question is 3p minus 7 is equals to 0. Given 3p minus 7 equals to 0. Nothing but RHS he given as 0. Then 3p is equals to, if you transpose minus 7 to the RHS side, minus 7 becomes a plus 7. This implies we have to find a value of p here. Then p equals to 7 and multiplication becomes a division. Then p equals to 7 by 3. Okay. If you have doubt about this fraction value, so fraction here also got, here also we got. If you have doubt means just simply replace x value in this given question, you will get the same answer. LHS and RHS are equal. If you want to miss, I will show here. 34 into x means how much we got here? Minus 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 will be remaining. 14. 2 sevens are 14. Then 17 into minus 3. Nothing but 17 3s are 51, plus into minus becomes minus. So minus 51 equals to minus 51. If you have doubt, you can check here like this. By replacing the value in the given question, you will get both LHS and RHS are equal. If not means we are done wrong. Okay, here also you have to do same thing. Next, 10th one. 10th one is what? 13 minus 6n equals to 7. See here, 13 minus 6n equals to 7. here we had to find the value of n. So first time transpose this constant to the RHS side. Then what will happen? Minus 6n is equals to 7 plus 13 becomes a minus 13. Transpose into the RHS side, plus 13 becomes what? Minus 13. This implies minus 6n is equals to 13 plus minus alternate means try to do subtraction, right? 13 minus 7 is 6. Now compare 7 and 13. Which one is greater? 13. Is having symbol minus. So the answer is what? Minus 6. This implies we had to find the value of n here. Then nothing but minus 6 into n, right, is equals to minus 6. Nothing but multiplication becomes a division. Minus 6 by minus 6. Negative negative will be cancelled. 6 ones are 6. This implies n equals to 1 is the answer. If you replace n value 1, you will get both the LHS and RHS are equal. Okay. Next one. 11th one. It's what? 200y minus 51 is equals to 49. 200y minus 51 is equals to 49. Here we have to find the value of y. First we will transpose this minus 51 to the RHS side. Then minus quantity becomes what? Plus. Then 200y is equals to 49. Transpose minus 51 becomes a plus 51. Here this implies what? A 200y is equals to 49 plus 51. 50 plus 40 90. 99 plus 1 is 100. You got 100. Now to find the value of y, nothing but 200 into y is equals to multiplication quantity. If you transpose to the RHS side, multiplication quantity becomes a division. Nothing but 100 by 200. Nothing but 100 ones and 100 twos are. This implies y is equals to how much you got? 1 by 2 is the answer. If you have doubt, just replace in the place of y 1 by 2. You will get both the answers is correct. Okay. LHS and LHS will be equal. Next, 12th one. 12 sufficient here. Okay. 12th. What's the question? 7x minus 9 equals to 16. 7x minus 9 is equals to 16. Here we had to find the value of x here. Then 7x, to get the value of x, first we are transposing the constant value to the RHS side. Then minus quantity becomes a plus. Nothing but minus 9 becomes a plus 9 is equals to 16 plus 9. This implies 7x equals to 16 plus 9 is how much? 25. 25. This implies we had to find the value of x here, right? Then x equals to 25. This multiplication becomes a division. Nothing but x equals to division. Nothing but this one what? 7, right? Sorry, 7. Multiplication becomes a division. Nothing but answer is what? 25 by 7. Okay. This is about what? 12th. So this is the 13th one. So 13th one. 12th one. Okay, this one, right? 7x minus 1 equals to 16. Minus because what? Plus. Nothing but 25 we got. So 7 into x. Nothing but 7. We are transposing to the RHS side. This multiplication becomes division. So 25 by 7 is the answer. Here cancellation is not possible, right? So I am keeping as it is. That's it. Next one. 12th one. Because already 13th one here we discussed it, right? That's why now we are doing 12th one. 12th one is what? 11n plus 1 equals to 1. Okay. Now, what is given here? 11n plus 1 equals to 1. Here we have to find the value of n here. So what I am doing, first transpose the constant to the RHS side. Then 11n is equals to 1 plus 1. It becomes what? Minus 1. This implies 11n equals to 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Here we have to find the value of n. 11 into n. This multiplication becomes a division. Then n equals to 0 by 11. Nothing but some 0 by something is always equals to 0. Then n equals to 0 is the answer. Okay. Yes, you know, right? Because we know 0 by anything is always equals to 0 only. So if you doubt, replace n value 0 here, 11 zeros are 0, then 1 equals to 1, both LHS and RHS are equal. Next, 14th one. 14th one is what? 8x plus 5 by 2 equals to 13. So here he given fraction. Okay. Now this fraction we had to transpose to the RHS side. We will get something answered, then transpose the 8 to the RHS side, then you will get the value of x here. We'll start here. Solution 8x plus 5 by 2 equals to 13. We had to find the value of x. So 8x I am writing as it is equals to the transposing plus 5 by 2 becomes what? Minus 5 by 2. Nothing but by 1 I am considering here. Now consider the LCM of the denominator 1 comma 2. LCM is 2. Now in 1 table 2, comparing the denominators, 1 table 2, 2 times 2 into numerator of 1 how much? 13. 13 2 is 26 minus here denominator 2 table 2 how many times? 1. And what is the numerator of 2 here? 5. So 1 5 is 5. This implies 8x equals to 26 minus 5 is how much? 21 by 2. Clear? Consider the LCM and we got 26 minus 5, 21. To find the value of x, nothing but 8 into x, but multiplication. This multiplication becomes what here? Division. Then x equals to 21 by 2 into 8. This multiplication becomes division. This implies x equals to 21 by 2 8s are 16. So x equals to 21 by 16 is the answer. So fraction form, compulsory we have to consider the LCM, then a transpose multiplication to the RHS side, you will get the answer as 21 by 16. Okay. Remaining 15, 16 also same. Listen carefully. Only two sums is there. 15 is what? 4x minus 5 by 3 is equals to 9. Right. So what I am doing, first I am writing question as is 4x minus 5 by 3 is equals to 9. First transposing the fraction to the RHS side. This implies 4x is equals to 9 minus quantity becomes what? If you transpose means minus becomes plus. Plus 5 by 3. Is it okay? Now here 9 by 1. 9 by 1 means 9 will write. It won't change the value. So that's why I am considering here denominator as 1. This implies 4x is equals to, consider the LCM of the denominator 1 comma 3. LCM is how much here? 3. Okay. Now compare denominators. In 1 table 3 how many times here? 3 times. 3 into what is the numerator of 1 here? 9. 3 9s are 27. Yes. Plus now in 3 table 3 how many times? Only 1 time. 1 into what is the numerator of 3 here? 5. 1 5s are 5. This implies 4x is equals to 27 plus 5 is what? 32 by 3. So we got the fraction here. We completed the LCM. We got the answer as 32 by 3. Now we have to find the value of x here. Nothing but 4 into x. Multiplication quantity becomes what? Division. Then x equals to 32 by 3 into 4. Here already denominator is 4 is there. This again multiplication becomes a division only, right? So 3 into 4. Cancellation is possible, right? Yes. 4 1s are 4 and 4 8s are 32. This implies x equals to 8 by 3. 1 3s are 3, right? X equals to 8 by 3 is the answer. Clear? This is the 15th one. Last one, 16th. Same method. LCM method only, but he given mixed fraction. Question is what? X plus 4 by 3 is equals to 3 1 by 2. Right? So here given mixed fraction. First we'll write the question. X plus 4 by 3 is equals to 3 1 by 2. This implies x plus 4 by 3 is equals to, first we had to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 3 1 by 2. So 2 3 is a 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. Okay. First what we done? We converted this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. How much we got here? 7 by 2. This implies now x equals to 7 by 2. if we had to find a value of x, right? That means we had to transpose this plus 4 by 3 to the RHS side. Plus 4 by 3 becomes what here? Minus 4 by 3. Clear? This implies now consider the LCM of the denominator 2 comma 3. These two are what? Prime numbers. Now directly we can multiply to get the LCM. 2 3s are 6. 6 is the LCM. Now check it here. In 2 table 6 how many times? 3 times. Into what is the numerator here? 7 minus in 3 table 6 how many times? 2 times. Into what is the numerator here? 4. This implies x equals to 3 sevens 21 minus 2 fours 8 by 6. This implies x equals to 21 minus 8 is how much? 13 by 6. Therefore x equals to 13 by 6 is the answer. Right, clear? So mix it to the improper fraction and consider LCM, you will get the answer. Okay, this is about exercise 2.1. Okay, so just everything is about the transposing. If you had to know the how to transpose the terms, plus quantity becomes minus, minus quantity becomes plus, multiplication quantity becomes division, and division quantity becomes multiplication. And we saw the definitions. So here constant, variable, algebraic expression and equation, and a linear equation and a linear equation in one variable. Okay, this is about today topic. In next class we'll start exercise 2.2. Start exercise 2.2. So I think so this is about today class. I hope you got it. Thank you so much.